Hey YouTube, we're back again. Don't get it twisted. Now, last video we did my bed. Now I have half a gallon left of Easy Liner, and I'm thinking our little off-road bumper here would look better with that. I don't think it'll use too much, considering the whole bed only used half the gallon. Now you could do a second coat as well. Let's do this bumper. The rocker panels and be the rear bumper. But let's start with the front here. I already got it masked off. There it is. I love this stuff. It's coming out so good. So this is done. I'm gonna move, I think, to the rear bumper because that needs some work because it's driving me crazy. Because it's I didn't scuff the chrome like a meathead. I don't know why, but okay, guys. Scuffed her. That should be good enough. Just a bit of scuff. This stuff sticks like crazy, so I'm gonna bed line the whole bottom part here. Just this part. Mask around, probably just to be safe, mask around. Here is the rear bumper, all done. This juicy coat on it, juicy wiggle. I did that guy there, but I'm leaving that because I have to break that stuff, to break that pin out somehow. Cut it or break it. This truck's getting a full transformation in the quarantine hours. Let's do the rocker panels, we got more than enough. I'm gonna cake the rockers though. Okay, I'm gonna start slapping the old rubber coat on. She's looking good. All masked off to my liking. As we did all this, see the stubble. Looks mint. Okay guys, bumper's done, rocker panel's done, rear bumper's done. Bed liner's obviously done. We're gonna come back in a bit once it's all dry, pull it out of the garage, and check out how it all came out. So here's the bed liner stuff, looking steezy. This stuff's like, there's no coming off. Bumper's done, as I showed. These guys, like back here is really important because it gets sprayed up. The spacers I got, like back here. But you can see the stubble now in the sun all the way down. Looks really good. You can't really tell on the bottom there. But this is all done too. You guys saw? All covered. And the other side. The way this is turning out, it looks unreal. Like all these mods coming together. I love the way this thing looks. Like what we're gonna do here is I need the length. So you could cut it there, but I think I'm gonna cut it here because I need that extra length. Because if I go back anymore, I don't think it'll clear my truck. So let's cut it right off there. Okay, so I got a cut. You see it's cut there. Now what I'm gonna do is cut this piece off. It's just some scrap I got. We got one piece off here. So it's gonna go like that essentially, right there. Flush with the front. Now we're gonna put a bolt there and there, and then a bolt, 2 bolts up like that. So this one is what it hinges on. So it'll be up, and then it'll go down, and then up, and then this one's the one that you take out to let it drop down. So it's actually a pretty simple method. Okay, so we got both pieces cut out. Now, throw her like that. So essentially what we're looking out for here. So I got my dots to cut, drill those out all the way through to the other side. Okay, so I got my 2 through here. I still gotta do that one. And I'm getting this side done, got one up here done. Still drilling, it takes a long time. Now, so we got those 2 holes, we got our bolts going through. We got one bolt, I have a smaller guy here, but through to the other side. And I just finished drilling this guy out big enough so I can fit those bolts through. So now we should be able to bolt it up essentially. Okay guys, so the next step, we got the hole through this guy. That connected that, so we gotta drill the hole on this side now. so that that bolt can go all the way through. And then we have the pivot point ready, and then we gotta drill one more hole up top. Here it is, guys. So this is the general idea. Now you guys can make it look way better than this. I'm probably gonna tidy it up too, but for now this is perfect. So 2 bolts, big boys at the bottom for support. I used smaller ones because my drill bits, they got really bad by the end of this. These now, I used a little wing nut here. Drop it, you just undo your wing nut. Drop it pretty tight. Undo the old winger. Move the bolt. And then down it goes, and it'll go all the way down to the tire on it. And then, so when you get it back, you got your tire on it. It's gonna be pretty heavy though. Slide your bolt through. And wing nut on. And then crank the wing nut, and there you go. Let's go throw it on the truck. I'm gonna tighten up all this stuff. We'll throw her on the rig, see how it works. Okay, so we got it all mounted up. So I didn't factor in that this tire needs to clear too. So what I'm gonna do, I think, is try to cut this out here. So the way she goes here is, this is getting cut off right here. And I'm moving it back. I don't know why I put it in the middle. I honestly don't know why. So I went ahead and fixed everything. Well, I got one bolt, I cut that whole piece off. And now I got welded this because I was done drilling and all my bits were dull. So I just used my welder, beaded that, so that's mint. Now we got support there and support there. This all works, I'll show you guys. Pop out the wing nut and the bolt, just like so. See the bolt, wing nut, put the one on each side, down, goes decent. And then I can drop my tailgate all the way, no clearance issues. Pop her up. And then repeat the same process. It's really not bad, like it takes a little effort, but it's like swivel, so just go down, find the mint spot right through there, grab your wing nut, and tighten it. It's all good. So now doing this, you want to make sure you move your license plate because it's completely behind the tire. Cops won't be able to see it, it'll get pulled over. I'm not keeping this on, I'm just going to pop the whole thing out. But you could. Now you'd have to get your license plate out front, lights out front for the license plate. But I'm just gonna throw my shackle back in because this is just a project I got on the side. But that's how you do it, guys. This is the right way. Now you can either weld or 2 bolts like that, bolt there, and then 2 bolts up, and that's it. You could even cut more of this out if you want to make it pretty, but I'd leave it. You can put a bolt behind. If you guys want, you can put a bolt behind so this doesn't go further, depending on your vehicle, but it's just tire hitting up there, so it's fine. It doesn't rub though, but it's pretty cool. I mean, I paid $140 for this whole setup, so not bad. It's a good option if you're going camping. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're at 250 on the dot when I made this video, and I appreciate all the support. Leave a like, hit the sub button, guys, for this minty video. Dodge is coming to life here, ladies and gentlemen. See you in the next one. Peace.